Full. Ang bira na. Ang sa pangana ba? Pangana, pangana ba? Si pangana. Ay! Mouse! Nahihirapan ka ba sa pag-intindi sa parts ng computer? Pues, ito ang life hack para sa'yo. Alam nyo ba, maraming hindi marunong tumukoy sa mga parts ng computer. Gusto nyo bang matuto? Yes! Justin, pwede mo bang ibahagi ang parts ng computer?
Mouse, monitor, keyboard, computer case, USB port, power plug, speaker, at mic. A mouse is a small handheld device that is dragged across a flat surface to move a cursor on a computer screen. A monitor is a device that displays signals on the computer screen. A keyboard is for putting information, including letters, words, and numbers, into your computer. The computer case serves mainly as a way to physically mount and contain all the actual components inside a computer. The USB port is generally used to connect USB drives, keyboard, mouse, and etc. Power plugs are male connectors that are used to distribute powers to electrical devices. A speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. A microphone is an input device. It sends information to the computer.
Ngayon, alam nyo na ang basic parts ng computer. Tutungo na tayo sa system unit.
Motherboard, CPU, RAM, computer fan, CD-ROM drive, PECU, floppy disk drive, video card, at sound card.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
The
shit. I
motherboard is
got
a
no
computer
love
central
for the
communication
fakeness. If you wanna
platform
play tough and wanna hate
through
this,
which
I'll
all
always show up
components
and
and
make a
external
statement. Everything I do
connect.
so instinctive
The
and so
computer
passionate. Every
central
word I move so
processing unit,
descriptive
or
like
the
an adjective. I got a
CPU, is the
vendetta
portion
against
of a
people who
computer
patented
that
being
retrieves
negative
and
when you should be
executes
getting after it.
instructions.
I got
RAM
facts
is
over
a
facts
common
over tracks. This
computing
and that, spitting
acronym
slow,
that
spitting
stands
fast
for
like a roast. I
random
could gas,
access
think I'm
memory.
okay at last, but I don't
Sometimes
know
it's
if that
called
can
for
erase
PC
all the
memory
past and the
or just
pettiness.
memory.
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You
Computer
think you're worth my
fan is
time,
any
you're delirious,
funds
mysterious
inside
because
or
you hide
attached
behind
to
a
a
fake
computer
exterior.
case
Inferior,
used
you
for
know I'll always be a
active
bit
use.
superior. Get off of
A
me, this ain't no
CD-ROM allows
humble
for a
brag.
large
I want
amount
you
of
to hear
storage
words,
on
you
an
can say them
inexpensive
back. I
portable
want you to
medium.
feel
A
free from
power
the
supply
chains that
unit
last into
converts
believing
main
what you got,
AC
it
to
was
low
built to
voltage
last,
regular
yeah.
to DC power for the internal components of a computer. Floppy disk drive is a removable magnetic storage medium that allows recording of data. Video card are circuits that generate the video signal sent to a computer display. Sound card translate digital audio signals to analog ones and analog audio signal to digital ones.
Ngayon, alam nyo na ang bahagi ng mga computers. Please don't forget subscribe our channel.
Mahal kong may